Did you know that you no longer need to be an astronaut to travel to space? Welcome to the dawn of space tourism, a fascinating era where the stars are no longer just for those with rigorous astronaut training. Space tourism is the exciting concept of making space travel accessible to private individuals who have the desire and, of course, the means to embark on such a unique adventure. Over the years, we've seen a remarkable growth in this industry, transforming what was once a far-fetched dream into an attainable reality. Key players like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have been at the forefront of this exciting evolution, each introducing their own unique approach to making space travel a commercial service. They are pioneering a revolution that is reshaping our perception of space travel. Indeed, space is no longer just the final frontier for astronauts, but also for adventurous tourists. So you want to be a space tourist, but what does it take? Well, let's start with the basics. The physical and health requirements for space tourists are no walk in the park. Space travel requires a body in top-notch condition. You'll need to pass rigorous medical exams, testing everything from your cardiovascular health to your vision. And don't forget about psychological assessments, as space can be a mentally demanding environment. But it's not just about being in good health. There's training to consider. Before your journey, you'll undergo a period of preparation, covering everything from safety protocols to zero-gravity acclimatization. You'll learn how to handle potential emergencies, and you'll even get a crash course in basic spacecraft operation. This isn't your typical holiday prep. It's intense and challenging. It seems space tourism isn't for the faint of heart or body, but for those willing to prepare. The sky is not the limit. Now that you're ready, what are your options for a space holiday? Let's take a moment to explore the vast universe of space tourism programs available to the public. First, we have suborbital flights like those offered by Virgin Galactic. These trips give you a brief yet thrilling taste of space, letting you experience weightlessness and see the curvature of Earth. Next, we step up to orbital flights, such as SpaceX's Crew Dragon. This is a longer journey, taking you into full orbit around our planet for a truly out-of-this-world experience. And for the ultimate space adventure, why not consider visiting the International Space Station? Companies like Axiom Space are making this once unthinkable dream a reality. Of course, each option comes with a different price tag and experience. From a few $100,000 for suborbital flights to tens of millions for an ISS visit, there's a space journey for every aspiring astronaut. But what does the future hold for space tourism? As we hurtle into tomorrow, the prospects are as boundless as the cosmos itself. The starry horizon of space tourism is teeming with thrilling missions and innovative programs. Upcoming ventures from stalwarts like SpaceX and Blue Origin continue to push the boundaries, charting a course for an era of unprecedented space exploration. Virgin Galactic is also gearing up to make suborbital space flights a regular occurrence, opening up the heavens to more and more adventurers. The industry is also ripe with advancements, from reusable rockets that make space travel more sustainable, to the development of space hotels that promise a truly out-of-this-world vacation. And let's not forget the plans for lunar tourism, a concept that once lived only in the realm of science fiction, inching ever closer to reality. As we look ahead, the future of space tourism seems bright and full of promise. But it's not all smooth sailing, or should we say, smooth space travel. Like any frontier, space tourism presents a host of challenges and risks. For one, the physical demands of space travel can be intense, with the body subjected to high G-forces during launch and re-entry, and the potential for space sickness while in orbit. And let's not forget the inherent risks of space travel itself, such as equipment failure or radiation exposure. Then there are the ethical and environmental considerations. The carbon footprint of a single spaceflight is enormous, raising questions about the sustainability of space tourism. Moreover, the high cost of entry raises issues of fairness and accessibility. However, despite these challenges, the rewards of space tourism are undeniable. the opportunity to see the Earth from space, to experience weightlessness, to be part of a select group of space tourists, these are experiences of a lifetime. As with any great adventure, space tourism comes with its own set of risks and rewards.